When you search for the best camping stoves for car camping, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, GasOne 15,000 BTU stove. First up is the GasOne 15,000 BTU propane or butane stove. Priced at $59.99, this stove caught my attention with its impressive power and portability. If you want a high-output stove that can handle your cooking needs in any outdoor situation, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why the GasOne stands out. Whether you're using an 8 Oz camping fuel or a larger propane cylinder, it adapts to your needs. The advanced piezoelectric ignition means you can fire it up without matches, which is a huge plus when you're in the outdoors. And safety is key. This stove has a built-in pressure sensor and a gas flow cutoff mechanism. That's peace of mind when you're cooking in the wild. Plus, it has a wind blocker to keep your flame steady even on breezy days. Now, some users have mentioned that it can be a bit bulky for backpacking, but honestly, if you're car camping, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's designed for performance over ultra-compactness. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable stove for family camping trips. Skip this one if you need something ultralight for solo hiking. At $59.99, you're getting solid value for a powerful cooking experience. Now, if the size of the GasOne bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Fire Maple Fix Star 1. Next up is the Fire Maple Fix Star 1, a backpacking and camping stove system priced at $49.95. This compact setup caught my eye for its efficient cooking capabilities. If you want a lightweight option that packs a punch, this one's definitely worth considering. What sets the Fire Maple apart is its heat exchange technology, which reduces boiling times by up to 30%. It fits everything into a 1-liter pot, which keeps your gear organized and easy to carry on hikes. Plus, the built-in piezo igniter means no fumbling with matches, and since it's made from durable materials, you can trust it will last through many adventures. However, a few users found it a bit tricky to use with certain fuel canisters. Here's the thing though, as long as you stick to the compatible ones, you should be fine. It's a fantastic option for backpackers looking for efficiency. This is ideal for you if you often hike and want a compact stove. Skip this if you're planning to cook for large groups. At this price, you're getting an excellent balance of portability and performance. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious campers. Product number 3, GasOne GS3400P. The third product is the GasOne GS3400P. Available for just $29.99. This budget-friendly stove attracted me with its dual fuel capabilities and ease of use. If you want a reliable stove without breaking the bank, this is a great choice. What makes the GS3400P so user-friendly is its automatic piezoelectric ignition system. It works with both butane and propane, so you have flexibility in fuel options. Plus, the adjustable heat dial gives you control over your cooking, whether you're simmering or boiling. Safety features like a pressure sensor also help prevent accidents, making it ideal for family trips. On the flip side, some customers pointed out that the stove can be a bit less stable with larger pots. But honestly, if you're using it for standard camping cookware, it performs just fine. It's a solid stove for the price. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable stove on a budget. Skip this one if you need something designed for heavy-duty cooking. For under $30, it's hard to beat this value. Now, if the stability of the GS3400P is a concern for you, the next option brings a more compact design. Product number 4, Coleman Classic Butane Stove. Next, we have the Coleman Classic 1-burner butane stove priced at $45.49. This portable option caught my attention because of its ease of use and solid build. If you want a stove that's straightforward and reliable for car camping, this is worth checking out. The Coleman offers 7,650 BTUs of cooking power, which is more than enough for a variety of meals. The Insta-Start ignition means you don't have to worry about matches or lighters, which can be a hassle outdoors. Plus, it features a wind baffle that helps shield the flame from breezy conditions. This means you can cook efficiently even when the weather isn't cooperating. The porcelain-coated grate is also removable for easy cleaning, which is a big plus after a long day of camping. However, some users mentioned that the burner can be a bit slow to heat up. Here's the thing, if you're patient and plan ahead, this shouldn't be a major issue for most camping situations. This is perfect for you if you value simplicity and functionality. Skip this if you're looking for a multi-burner setup. At $45.49, you're getting a reliable option that won't let you down. Now, if you're looking for something ultra-lightweight, the next product could be your best bet. Product number 5, AOTU Portable Camping Stove. Finally, we have the AOTU Portable Camping Stove, priced at just $11.99. I was surprised at how affordable this little guy is, yet it offers solid performance. If you need an ultralight option for quick meals on the go, this is a fantastic deal. The AOTU stove weighs only 0.24 pounds, making it incredibly easy to carry. The adjustable control valve allows you to quickly switch from maximum heat to a simmer, accommodating different cooking needs. It also comes with a handy plastic box for storage, which adds to its portability. However, some users found it less stable for larger pans, but honestly, for light camping and solo trips, it does the job quite well. It's a great option if you're looking to save weight. This is perfect for you if you're a solo camper or just need a lightweight stove for quick meals. Skip this if you typically cook for larger groups. At just $11.99, it's an unbeatable value. So there you have it, 5 solid camping stoves, each catering to different needs and budgets. Whether you prioritize power, portability, or price, there's something here for everyone. To wrap it up, we covered the Gas One 15,000 BTU, the Fire Maple Fixed Star One, the Gas One GS 3400P, the Coleman Classic Butane Stove, and the AOTU Portable Camping Stove. Each offers unique benefits tailored to different camping styles. Choose the one that fits your needs best, and happy camping.